Hi guys, Roger with Gateway Cycles back with you again. Beautiful day in Mount Sterling, and I got a beautiful machine for you. This is a 2015 Yamaha Star Bolt. This thing's candy apple, cherry red, whatever they call it. Wonderful machine. Just got back from a test drive. This thing is fantastic. Let's do a quick walk around on it here. Machine comes pretty much straight the way it came from the factory. It's got factory pipes on it. Nice blacked out V-twin engine. Yamaha has had great success with this engine over the years. We're belt driven. Got nice LED lighting in the rear. It comes with a solo saddle, easily adaptable for a passenger pillion. My service manager tells me there's about 6,000 parts that'll go on this bike, so no shortage of customization possibilities with this machine. And like I said, I just rode it. It rides awesome. Let me give you guys a shot of the dash and then we'll crank her up. There we go, 48.99 on the miles. And let's fire her up here. Pretty nice rumble from a factory exhaust, I gotta say. Guys, come on down and check us out at Gateway Cycles here in Mount Sterling, or you can check us out on the web at www.gatewaycycles.com. And don't forget to check out our Facebook page, Gateway Cycles. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. That lets us know that you like the videos, and we'll try to get more out to you. Thanks for watching, YouTubers.